between the communications in the areas. But coming to the digitalization, there is a connection between the peoples, and the connection between through it's by this app. There is WhatsApp, Twitter. We have seen there are many apps which connect the peoples, and it influences the people one's mind. Even our grandfather also influenced by the WhatsApp and the Facebook. They use WhatsApp and Facebook. If their child was in the USA or somewhere, so they like to speak by the Viber. They can use Viber app. So it's like the digital of India, which connects the people.
We have moved to digital India. So first of all, earlier we were studying with PCs, and then now we have moved to laptops. And now we can see that India is all over the world with companies like HCL, Infosys, Wipro, and several Indians who have been around the world, like Sundar Pichai, Google CEO, Rana Mistry, and Satya Nadella. And also we can see that farmer is having a smartphone. Earlier we used landlines, then we moved to simple Nokia phones, then now we have moved to iPhones. And technology is improving day by day, and India is going digital. As we can see, ISRO and
traditional way of sending messages, we have turned it to Gmail. And the main logo of Digital India.
So we can make a better India.
Six sector in the India. The six sector are institution, industry and transportation. By Digital India, mostly these six sector will improve in India. By Narendra Modi said, I dream that Digital India where access to information knows no barriers. Means every person can access internet with connected to internet easily, and by the Digital India 2 lakh village will connected by broadband. That's why
we are the third consumer of internet over the world.
Yes, and also Digital India provides easily industrialization, socialization by the six sectors: the health, education, and employment, industries, transportation, and institution.
Mr. Narendra Modi, we have mapped all our digital platforms inside the map of India. That's like it will be called as the 9 pillars of digitalization, like early harvest program, information for everyone, then broadband highway, public internet access, IT jobs are extensive, e-manufacturing, e-hospital programs, then e-governance, phone, universal access for phones, then e-postal program, then e-Krishi is also being implemented. Kisan call centers are there. The socialization is being publicized. After that, traditional ways of talking and is being converted to Gmails and other platforms. And our title is Ankiya Bharat, as you can see. And here the televised vision, we are now seeing YouTube and all. Our space program is also digitized, like Mangalyaan and Gurji's government picture.
We are explaining that how can the globe we can connect to the India in this diagram, in this map we are showing the Digital India, and in this whole painting Digital India is not for the urban area, it's all for the rural area for, and how these companies and these manufacturing supporting to India. Digital India, Green India and Smart India.
Digital India, and I'll give it one more thought, Internet of Things. Now we are showing that India is actually is a combination of very many things which are working on internet. On a click of mouse, everything is working, and through social media, through various other sources, internet has become the main source of information and of doing work. So here we are representing India globally also and nationally also, getting digital.
We are mainly focusing upon 4 aspects of Digital India in our painting. The first one is digital marketing, the second one is digital media, and 9 pillars of Digital India.
And here we have shown that how traditionally India is covering digitalization.
In this diagram, we have focused on
This is basically connecting rural area and urban area by digital. This is binary numbers 1, 0. By digital, they are connecting both the areas in India. So this is
Eiffel Tower. This is basically India and this is the whole world. So it's like connecting India with the whole world. This is sun. Sun is like one जो सबको रोशनी दे रहा है. So why not everyone come together and shake hands, digitalizing India.
Basically, it's connecting the rural area with the urban world. So you can see digitalization both in the rural as well as urban area.
With one click.
Connecting the whole world with one click.
क्रिएटिविटी मतलब आपका पोस्टर मेकिंग है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पोस्टर मेकिंग.
तो फिर कुछ रिस्पेक्ट करें.
देखिए ये जो है ये लगाना नहीं चाहिए. ये क्या दिया था तुमने?
नहीं सर, हमने प्रोवाइड नहीं किया.
तो फिर ये क्यों यूज किया?
आदि ये सर आप लेके आए.
नहीं ये अलाउ
नहीं तो फिर ये जो साइड में है
चार्ट पेपर दे और एक
ये भी अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए.
ये बैकग्राउंड में जो टेप लगा है
इसके बेसिस
मैम ये हमने प्रोवाइड किया.
छोड़ के
ये प्रोवाइड किया. ठीक है.
ठीक है फिर इसको हटाओ.
कौन सा मैम?
हटा दो
ये वाला.
इसी में देख लीजिए.
अच्छा ये जो है डिजिटल वाला ये वैसे ठीक है बट आई थिंक इसमें ज्यादा ये है क्रिएटिविटी. क्रिएटिविटी की बात की जाए इससे ज्यादा इसमें है.
पोस्टर में
पर कहीं तो रेटिंग या रैंकिंग कुछ करेंगे ना तो दो इसको हटा दिया था.
हटा दिया.
नहीं पर कहीं तो कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव वो तो होगा ना कि तुम्हारा कहीं हम जानना है ABCD 1 2 3 4 5 कुछ तो देंगे.
ऐसे नहीं
नहीं तो फिर
देख लीजिए इसी देख लीजिए.
नहीं फिर मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ फिर मैं जजमेंट में नहीं छाऊंगी.
मतलब मैं अपना
नहीं आप फिर नहीं क्योंकि जब 3-4 लोग हो तो फिर गड़बड़ भी हो सकता है. बच्चों को ही हो सकता है.
नहीं आप सब जो म्यूचुअल वो करके कर लेंगे. ये हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट
नेम्स
किए
तो
हैं.
सामने नहीं है मैम. आप जो भी जजमेंट लेंगे आपके सामने ही होगा.
नहीं पर इसमें कुछ तो आप रैंकिंग रखें. रैंकिंग मतलब
आप देखिए मैडम मैं बता रहा हूँ. नहीं
मैम को एक दे दीजिए. दे दो शीट. मैम को दे दो और एक सर को दे दो.
पर
3
आपने
शीट
क्यों
बना के
नहीं
दे दो.
बनाया ये तो समझ में नहीं आया मुझे.
पैरामीटर्स में
हाँ
पैरामीटर 2-3 लिख दो ना. पैरामीटर 2-3 लिख दो. क्या क्या है तुम्हारा ये?
क्रिएटिविटी नहीं. क्रिएटिविटी छोड़ी
छोड़ दो. क्रिएटिविटी
नहीं क्रिएटिविटी अलग है.
In the sense
क्रिएटिविटी
आइडिया जो है ना